MagSafe accessories. We're going to go over them right now. What's up YouTube? This is Jason with RedBeeLabs and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel and enjoy unboxings, tech reviews, and everything in between, well, do me a favor, drop a like on this video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any new videos I release. Okay, so today, hold on, today I've got MagSafe accessories, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts and my impressions, and we're just gonna get in there and see if these are actually good or or they're lacking. So let's do it. Okay guys, so first up is going to be the case. Now I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max and I got that in Pacific Blue, and I think this is a Baltic Blue. Let me look on here. It's yeah, Baltic Blue. And it's the leather case, and it's gotten really good reviews. The only bad reviews are people who don't like that animals and leather and things like that. But we're gonna just go ahead and unbox it. So we're just gonna pull it up. Apple makes it a little okay. Just pop it, slide it out, and there it is. You pop it out here. Put that right over here. That's just whatever in there. Here is the documentation. Nothing. And just a little paperwork from Apple. We're gonna pluck that over there. Okay, so as you can see, it is microfiber inside, which is very nice. You also see the ring where the magnets are. Another thing I really like, I like that they actually have a bottom for it, not just like a cutout to where it's like half gone and you can still damage your phone. The Apple logo is nice, and y'all, this feels good. This feels very good, and the buttons are clicky. Like I'm gonna check out. I'm gonna actually put the phone in there, but the buttons are clicking now. So let me grab my phone. Beautiful color, beautiful color. Okay, so some vibrate. Let me go ahead and just put it on here, and you see that, you get that little, you see it? Let me take it off and try it again. I want you guys to see that. That's pretty neat. Okay, so off, and then look at that, little circles. Beautiful. So now you know it's on there, and man, yeah, it feels really nice. Like I'll be honest, this is the first one I've ever had, first leather case. Usually I don't go and pay all the money for the leather cases, even the knockoff cases. I'm not really into like the leather cases. I usually like to keep my phone naked and cool wet. Sometimes I'll put like a dbrand skin on there, or I'll go and put maybe a silicone case on there, but I don't like a lot of those cases because they get oily and greasy and it's just kind of nasty. But this, I said, let me go ahead and try it out, because people were telling me before that it may scratch, it may do whatever, but no, this has been really nice, and I love it. Let me try the buttons. The buttons are super clicky, listen to that, listen on the super clicky and nice, and maybe stop doing emergency things. But the volume, yeah, this is really nice. Let me see if I can get to the vibrate. Yeah, you can. Vibrate's easy to get to. Like I said, it's protected at the bottom. I really like that. It's just, damn, they did a really good job on this. So go ahead, Apple. Really like it. Let me see, because another thing is I like it to be easy for me to take things off, and bam, yeah, it's really easy to take it off. Nothing on the phone, nothing. Huh. And boom. Alright guys, that's it. I know it's a case. I'm not going to try to make this an extra long one. I will give you some more impressions as I use it, if it scratches, how it does with wear and tear. But as of now, it's really doing good. It's got a nice little space right there for the cameras. So I can lay it down on a flat surface and it's not going to touch them and scratch them. So that's really nice. But again, the takeaway for today is that this thing fits snug. It is so soft and nice, and honestly, like, it's just soft, and like I said, I'm one of those people who doesn't use the leather cases, but so they may all be like that, but just for me personally, with my first experience with it, it is very nice and smooth. It's like a little slide just right in the pocket, and I just want to make sure that nothing happens, like any scratches or anything like that. But I think we're gonna be good. So that's it for me, guys. You know, if you found value in this video, if you could smash the like button, leave me a comment or two. Definitely subscribe. Click the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything that I release. And follow me on social media. All my social media, please. I would love to have you guys follow me on that journey as well. And as always, guys, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.